Hey guys, so I'm in the hospital, so I'm still feeling so sick, so I'm in the hospital right now. I'm here with Christopher. That's Christopher over there. It's climbed the. I wanted to take it, but Christopher said no. Walk. I'm so tired. Huh? Christopher is using me to climb step. That's him. Where are we going? We want to take lift now. So we are taking lift. Oh yeah. Then we are going out of this place, you know. Okay. So guys, we are still going, you know. So when you are going with Christopher always like to confuse you sometimes. So see you guys when we are through. I'll show you guys another thing later. You know, stay tuned. This is the place I gave birth to Daliti, the fossa. You know. Yeah. So guys, we are done. They did not even give nothing on. So they are saying it's my hormone that wants to change because I stopped taking the pill. You know, I'm not feeling sleeping. So I'm just going to start with my agbo that I make. You know. So see you guys. So that's just it too. Because here, when something is not that serious, they will not answer you. Except when you are serious. She is saying that when I'm getting more pains, you know, when I need pains, often pains, that I should come back. That's when they will now admit me, and I don't want to be admit, you know. So that's just it, guys. I don't want to be admit, and I want to stay home, you know. I want to stay home with my children. I don't want to be admit. So I don't like admission at all. So that's it. So see you guys when we are in the house, you know. So see you soon. Hey guys, good morning. It's another day. Good morning. Welcome back again to my channel. Yeah. So yesterday we could not end the video. We're in the hospital, so they wanted to admit me, but I said no, I don't want to be admitted in the hospital because I have children. When I'm there, I'll be thinking of them. So that's why I just decided to come back home yesterday, you know. And then I asked me when I'm feeling the pain back, then I should come back. But I just decided not to go. So my husband got me this medicine this morning and paracetamol. That's it, guys. So I'm feeling better today. And we are going to be unboxing this, you know. This is what we received from Zolando, you know. Let me cover my address. So this is what we got. This is what we received today, you know. So I ordered this in Zolando, you know. So as you can see, so this is it, Zolando package, you know. We just got this today. So let's unbox it together, you know. So I want to unbox now. Let's unbox together, you know. Oh yeah, unbox it. No, it's from here. Yeah. Where are you? Okay.
Hello, mommy.
Hi, treasure. Ariel. Big voice.
What?
What? It's for Christopher. Ariel, come, pass on that. Come and say it. Pass on that. Everybody.
No.
Oh, yeah, honey. Remove it inside. Yeah, bring it over.
The box.
That's Mama's shoe. So this is the shoe I got for myself. I bought these. Finish. Okay. This is what I normally do, you know. This is for me. This is for Mama. This is nice though. They reduce it to. I think they reduce it to how much I tell you, 30 something, I think 20 something. From 100. hotel. €70. €70 too. My size got booked. It got finished. So all these are for Christopher. You know, I love buying his things in Zolando because their things are nice. Hopefully this will enter my son, you know. So they reduce it to €30. No, I think they reduce it to, can't remember, like €30, yes. So they reduce it to €30 because now the weather is so hot, you know, it's summer. So this is going to, hopefully he's going to like it when he comes to check it, you know. So let me show you guys the dress. The other time I see order for him, or even the daddy also ordered for him yesterday. So those one came yesterday, so I didn't record it because, you know, those one they are for men. So why this one? I bought this. So this, I also buy this. So this is also nice. So this is for him also. You know, sometimes when I want to buy something for him, I don't tell him. Oh, when you tell him, we say no, I don't like this, I don't like that. He select a lot. So that's why what we normally do now, we buy what we want, what we like, and we also know that he's going to like the thing. So that's when we now buy it. Sometimes he will tell you, I don't like it, but after 1 or 2 days, this boy will be wearing the same thing, or you have to force him to change it. Maybe sometimes someone must see him, he will think that this boy don't have different clothes. We have, but Christopher is just that kind of a person. When he like one thing, he will keep on wearing it till the thing will die before he will not change it. When the cloth don't die, he will not change even shoe. You have to pursue him to wear another one. If not, he's not going to change his dress. When you just leave him, he will be putting on one thing for like 1 month. You have to shout before he will not change it. Sometimes you say, no, I don't want to change, I like it, I like this. No, we have to, because we gave birth to him. We have the right to control him, you know. So that's what we are doing. I know when he comes today, when he don't like this stuff, you know where we have to talk, shout before you wear. Oh, this is my kind. So I bought this for myself. I look for purple. So I took M now, yes, M. So this is for me. Just this one will be, oh yeah, boo. I did give move back. So this is like, it's a bit long, you know. It's long. But when I wear shoe that is hard, maybe all this my heel shoe, not talk of those heel canvas, but it's okay. I like the size is okay. It's only the longness, you know. So can you guys see the girls now? They are busy now. So thank you for watching. I'm going to end up this vlog here. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and bye.